What is up, guys? Your girl Bree Reacts back with another reaction video. We got Key Glock and Young Dolph, Rain. Bro, that's crazy, bro. They two peas in the pots, bro. They just be spitting. I love that's a good duo. Who else do y'all think is a good duo when rapping? Comment below and let me know. But original link will be down in the description down below for you guys. Be sure you guys also comment below more reactions you guys like see on this channel. Leave a like on all my videos, and for all you new people who have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 200 subscribers. Follow me on my social medias down below in the description down below for you guys. Go ahead and hit that up. Follow me. And turn that post notification bell on so you guys be notified every time I upload a video. And subscribe to my main channel so I post videos of the reactions on that channel. Subscribe over there too. And let's get into the song. Are they both from Dallas? I don't think Dolph is from Dallas, but Glock, I don't think he's from Dallas. Maybe, I don't know.
Damn, it's raining outside. I wanted to jump on my drop top today. Rain, go away. Please come back another day. Rain, go away. I'm banner to the floor today. Pocket.
Bro, Key Glock don't even have to, Young Dolph don't even have to be, both of them, Dolph and Glock, bro, they don't have to be saying, like, really rhyming with the rap, you know what I'm saying, for it to make sense, because the beat gonna forever go hard with the song. That's why it makes sense to me, like, it just go hard.
Get full of Rizx, about to go and get some more today. When you doing big shit, little nigga, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, little nigga, they supposed to hate you. When you doing big shit, little nigga, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, little nigga, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, little nigga.
I don't know what. Yeah, when you doing big shit, they hate. When you down, they want to pick you up, but when you up, they want to hate. And I don't get why the society's like that anyway. Like, dang, niggas just, it's freaking piece right here. Like, niggas just be hating for no reason. When you doing great, they still want to hate. You mad because you not in the position I am and you hating. Why you hating?
Nigga, they supposed to hate. Damn. Big boy shit on it. I got a plate with a whole lot on it. I'm having my way right now at the moment. She got an ass, you can see the glance on it. My time costs money, got a price tag on it. You know that. We boys in the hood, but I kill a nigga about my sister like Tony. Montana. Smoking orange tree, drinking a dirty orange Fanta. Too legit, too motherfucking quick like MC Hammer. I asked her what's that thing right there.
Y'all come below. How old is Dolph? He looks pretty, not old, but like he in his 30s. Let me know down in the comment section down below.
Nelly country grammar. Please God, free all of the real ones out the slim. Trapper, not a scammer. Yellow bitch banana. She went to college in Atlanta, but she from Savannah. She gon' show out every. He
said she went to college in Atlanta, but she from Savannah. Or she went to college in Savannah, but she from Atlanta. Okay, that makes sense, but it's probably the first one I said. Anyways.
Every time when I pull out the camera, in the strip club, my diamonds twerking harder than a dancer. Rain, go away. Balenciaga to the floor today. Pocket full of Stizax, about to go and spend some dough today. When you doing big shit, hell yeah, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, hell yeah, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, hell yeah, they supposed to hate.
He said when you doing big shit, yeah, hell yeah, they supposed to hate. I don't know why, man. I don't know. Let me know y'all opinion down in the comment section.
When you doing big shit, hell yeah, they supposed to hate. When you doing big shit, hell yeah, they supposed to hate.
Cartier on my wrist, Cartiers on my face. I can smell you pussy niggas, I can see the fucking hate. I be dropping foreign whips, I be dropping bitches crazy. I be getting a lot of cheese, and I get a lot of cake. 10 toes down still to this day. Little nigga right there don't play. Got a whole lot of shooters around my way. Yeah, them niggas don't play. I'm a walk-in ticket, I break the bank. The shit I do.
Ain't nobody can name five duos that's better than Young Dolph, Key Glock together, Dirk and Lil Baby together. I ain't gonna say Young Boy because he really don't rap with a lot of people, you know what I'm saying? He really stay to himself. Y'all can't name me two 4 people other than that could do collabs together with music.
It's the shit you can't get, baby. I'm the shit, but I do not stink. I'm all out west with a stick, no shame. Yeah. I'm all out west with a stick, no shame. Yeah. My bitch got a Glock in her purse, not mace. Yeah. My bitch got a Glock in her purse, not mace. Yeah. Got one on my hip and I'll put in your face.
Shit, nowadays any woman need a fucking Glock in their purse, a gun in their purse instead of mace. Cause what the fuck that? It'll burn them, but shit, I'm gonna kill their ass. Fuck you saying? Fuck that Mason shit.
Bullets raining, I was like,
Rain, go away.
Hey, man, drip out.
From hearts to the flow today. Pocket full of Rizx, ain't no telling what we on today. When you doing big shit, all that little shit just in the way. When you doing big shit, all that little shit just in the way. When you doing big shit, all that little shit just in the way. When you doing big shit, all that little shit just in the way. When you doing big shit, all that little shit just in the way.
Comment y'all favorite song by Dolphin Glock. Let me know. Top 5 songs y'all like by Dolphin Glock. Let me know in the comment section. You got the Sonic chain, look clean. Well, I don't know how I feel about the blue, but still. Diamonds bustin'. Rain, Key Glock, and Dolph. Original link will be down in the description down below for you guys. Please check that out. Please be sure you also comment below more reaction videos. You guys would like seeing my channel. Follow me on my social medias down below. And for you new people who are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate that. And be sure you guys hit like on this video. And turn that post notification bell on as well, because it's right down there in that same box, so you guys be notified every time I upload a video. And subscribe to my main channel. Go over there, first link in the description. To go to my other channel, I do videos, other interactions on that channel. And I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.